Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a tip how you can change time frame really quick and in TradingView. So there are like one option that I already showed in one video. When you go to top left and you simply go like to 1 month of this is the Apple, or let's go to ranges or minutes, right? But what you can do is actually when I go and have a day, you can simply start writing on your keyboard, like let's say 60, change interval 60, 30, 200, and you can simply change the interval by yourself, right? So that's completely up to you, and you get also the way how you can do it. So you just start writing on a keyboard 50 minutes and it's going to create a 50-minute interval for you for time frame. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.